We're at a shortage of truck drivers right now. So there's a supply and demand issue. There's nothing coming into the warehouses, and there's nothing going out of the warehouses to help people that need our help, that need food.
I'm Arvid Stefik from Mesa, Arizona. I volunteer at Midwest Food Bank, first of all, because of the need that they have for drivers. It's just amazing how much food goes through this building. I just can't praise these people enough for the job that they're doing here and the number of people that they're affecting.
People want to volunteer here at Midwest Food Bank. We encourage them to contact us through our website, which is arizona.midwestfoodbank.org, or call us or stop by. We'd love to have you.
I like to make the comment, the wages aren't much, but the benefits are out of this world. Just a wonderful place to work.